you'll see later on in the training that will get you to create a brand new Shopify store to host your blog. Why Shopify, of all the platforms out there, to host a blog? Well, the truth is that, of course, you could use just about any website/blog/e-commerce platform to build an affiliate marketing site. In my humble opinion, though, what makes Shopify a particularly great one to use is the thousands of apps available that can get your site to have the exact functionality that you need, such as our very own Shopify app. Yep, there's the shameless plug, which sets up your website specifically so that it can be used for Amazon affiliate marketing and allows you to easily add and manage affiliate products. On top of this, Shopify is of course a full-blown e-commerce platform, which will actually come in handy if later on you decide to make and sell your very own products in place of your most successful affiliate products, which we'll also touch on later in this training material. Also, as Shopify is a fully managed service, you don't need to think at all about how to host or maintain your site. They handle it all for you so you can focus solely on building your affiliate marketing empire. Next, let's talk about the golden rules of building a successful Amazon affiliate marketing blog. See you there.